Love. An intense feeling of deep affection. Number one, a feeling of deep romantic or sexual attachment to someone. Besottled with, infatuated with, enamored of, love struck by, dash. Love struck by, smitten with, passionate about, with a passion for, consumed with desire for, consumed with desire for, captivated by, bewitched by, enthralled by, entranced by, devoted to, dating on, mad about, crazy about, nuts about, wild about, bowled over by, B-O-W-L-E-D, B- B-O-W-L-E-D, bowled over by, carrying a torch for, potty about. Number two, affectionate greetings conveyed to someone on one's behalf. Best wishes, regards, good wishes, greetings, kind regards, kindest regards, felicitations, salutations, compliments, best, respect, respects. These are all noun, by the way. Number three, a formula for ending an affectionate letter. Deep affection, fondness, tenderness, warmth, intimacy, attachment, endearment, devotion, adoration, doting, D-O-T-I-N-G, idolization, worship, passion, desire, lust, yearning, infatuation, adulation, compassion, care, caring, regard, solicitude, concern, warmth, friendliness, friendship, kindness, charity, goodwill, sympathy, kindliness, altruism, philanthropy, unselfishness, benevolence, brotherliness, sisterliness, fellow feeling, humanity, relationship, love affair, affair, romance, affair of the heart, intrigue, amour. Alright, next noun. A great interest and pleasure in something. Liking, weakness, partially, bent, leaning, proclivity, inclination, disposition, enjoyment, appreciation, soft spot, taste, delight, relish, passion, zeal, appetite, zest, enthusiasm, keenness, predilection, penchant, P-E-N-C-H-A-N-T, fondness. Next noun, a person or thing that one loves. Number one, a friendly form of address. Beloved, a loved one, loved of one's life, loved of one's life. Dear, dearest, dear one, darling, sweetheart, sweet, sweet one, angel, honey, lover, boyfriend, girlfriend, significant other, betrothed, paramour. Right. Number two, used to express affectionate approval for someone. Right? Next, verb form. Feel deep affection for someone. Number one, feel a deep romantic or sexual attachment to someone. Be in love with, be infatuated with, well, basically, it's the first noun. No. Alright, next text verb. Like or enjoy very much. Like very much, delight in, enjoy greatly, have a passion for, take great pleasure to, take great pleasures in, take great pleasure in, take great pleasure in, derive great pleasure from, have a great liking for, have a great liking for, be addicted to, relish, savor, have a weakness for, have a weakness for, be partial to, have a have a spot, have a soft spot to, have a soft spot for, have a taste for, be taken with, have a predilection for, have a proclivity for, get a kick, get a kick from, get a kick from of, get a kick out of, have a thing about, have a thing for, be mad about, be mad for, be crazy about, be nuts about, be wild about, be hooked on, get off on, get a buzz from, get a buzz from of, get a buzz out of, be party about, go a bundle on. Tagalog of love, pagkahilig, sambahin, pagmamahal, sinta, pagkahilig, gusto, magsaya, debosyon, mahal, minamahal, mahal, romansa, pagsamba, pahalagahan, pagnanasa, sarap, pahalagahan, pagkagusto, paggalang, humanga, kalakip, lambot, maging baliw sa, pagkakaibigan, magarbo, papuri, magtalik, pagtatalik, pinakamamahal, pagsamba, kayamanan, pagkahumaling, pag-iibigan, matamis, pangangalaga, umbok, baliw, sambahin, pag-ibig, mahal sa buhay, maging mahilig sa, kasintahan, maghalikan, pagtatangi, kasintahan, maging malapit, relasyon, pagkahilig, pakikipagtalik, alam, kabaitan, pakikiramay, mahalin, lasa, pagmamahal, tuwa, hilig, sigasig, lasapin, pagbati, anghel, kasintahan, matulog ng magkasama, pagmamahalan, pagiging palakaibigan, pag-aalala, dash, pagkahilig, katapatan, kahinaan, gustong gusto, dash, pagkakaugnay, mabuting hangarin, kasintahan, sigasig, pakikiramay, gana, mahalin, opposite, Tagalog. Poot, ayaw, kamuhian, poot, hamakin, pagkasuklam, kamuhian, kasuklam-suklam, dash, pag-ayaw, dash, kamuhian, pagkamuhi, alitan, poot, paghamak, pagkasuklam, kamuhian, pagkasuklam, hindi pagsang-ayon, pagkasuklam, maghain ng parusa, sama ng loob, mali siya, hinanakit, masamang dugo, katatakutan, galit, kawalang malasakit, dash, kawalang pakialam, dash, kapabayaan, allergic, kawalan ng hilig, ayawan, paghamak, kaaway, masamang hangarin, matinding alitan, pagkadismaya, alitan, pagmumura, sama ng loob, kapaitan, masamang pakiramdam, baliwalain, kaaway, pagkasuklam, hindi pagkagusto, hindi aprubahan, hindi pakikipagkaibigan, hindi pagsang-ayon, hindi matiis, lamig, cold, hindi gusto, kabaliktaran, kawalang kasiyahan, dash, pagtataboy, hindi kayang tiisin, hindi makatayo, may taboy ng mawala ng interes sa tanggihan, baliwalain, pagtatakwil, paghihirap, pumuna, umiwas, galit, pangangati, iritasyon, galit, karahasan, tunggalian, paghatubili, kawalan ng kagustuhan, nakakasuka, pagiging malamig ang loob. Alright, highlight for antonym. Highlight for opposite of love. With English, in English. Opposite of love, disrelish. Not to relish, to regard as not to relish, to regard as unpalatable or offensive, to feel a degree of disgust at. Mutual, dislike, hate, aversion, disgust, detest. Unique, not care for, censure, censure, censure. Demur, demur, demur. Reproach. Those are nouns, by the way.